Hey my friends, so this is going to be a bonus video for you guys. So I'm going to reveal one of my successful trend designs of this month quickly. I know many of you are aware of the trend or holiday of this month is Tuesday. Yes, this is Tuesday right now, and that is 2/22/22. And happy Tuesday guys. So I'm now going to reveal one of my successful Tuesday designs here on this video, so you can actually understand how I successfully chase the trends, whether it's already crowded or whether I'm late to the party. I always try to crush the trends and have some sales, not only just pushing some generic designs, because if you push a generic design that is already similar to other designs, you are possibly getting you have higher chance of getting lost to the market. But if you are creative and take some time just before launching your design and think for a while, like how you can actually differentiate your product from others, then there is a good chance for you to make the sales and crush the trend. So my Tuesday design is obviously different from other designers, so that's what kept me unique in the market and allowed me to have some sales. Now first of all, I would like to show you some top designs of Tuesday, and then I will show you my designs that I've listed on Amazon. So let me go to yeah, here is amazon.com, and I've already searched the keyword happy Tuesday shirt. So these are the successful designs of Tuesday. You can see this one is still making some sales, but yeah, today will be the last day of this trend, I believe. So the VSR will be will jump to high from today. But this is the most successful design of Tuesday. So I appreciate this guy, and he already made some good sales. And but this is something you shouldn't do, like you know ripping the brand like unknown. I'm still unsure about this brand name unknown, because this is not a registered brand. Something like registered brand called Born is ripping the March by Amazon content creators for last couple of weeks. Everyone is talking about them, and they are just giving a headache to all content creators. But yeah, we can already do some report infringement to them, but this is what we all can do, and rest is up to March by Amazon authority. So yeah, let's talk about the design. So you can see this is the most successful design. They used some rainbow, and their fonts are bigger, happy Tuesday 222, and they have some used colorful graphic. So the Tuesday was most popular for the kids items, so kids shirt. But not only kids, men's and women also have purchased these shirts. But yeah, this actually appealing to the kids. So yeah, I I mean, I value the colors they have applied here. Yeah, they are actually relevant to the market. So this is also another successful design, and you can see. But if you put a similar design to this, that just say happy Tuesday and use some rainbow, then you are already competing with the already established product. So that is where you lost your design and you lost your effort. So these two are successful, but then the other these are actually Disney, so we will just skip them. So this guy, I'm not sure if it's the original design, January 14, January 15. Okay, so there are some copycats are hassling. But so the happy Tuesday designs, so this one of them, what I'm talking about, is unique and standing out from the rest of the designs. So this is one of the creative idea, guys. So you're talking about here Tuesday, so two is the main factor. So if you come up with something like two, and then just blend the contents into that shape or into that graphic, then that is where you are actually making yourself creative, unique, and making yourself standing out from the crowd. So I appreciate this guy who created this design. So and you can see their BSR 19,000. So they've actually crushed the market. And so yeah, and the rest of are the Happy Tuesday and Leopard, and they are all generic and look similar to each other. So this is not something you would like to do once you are entering the market, and once you have already seen that designs are already selling and the designs are already crowded. So if you are trying to enter the market and bring something new, then you have to be creative. So that's why I will now show you my design idea, what I've posted and what I've made sale with. So let's go to my design, guys, and here it is. This is my design. So you can see I've used a graphic of hand V sign that represents the two. So I believe everyone will agree with me that this is relevant to the Happy Tuesday niche, and it just drag the customer attention at the very first moment, because when you see this design along with the other designs that says only Happy Tuesday and rainbow and blah blah blah, then obviously this will catch the attention of the customer at the very beginning, and that's what happened, and they purchased my design. So though I've made a less sale, it's only 27, but that's enough for me, because this is something this is a trend for around 20 days. The date when I uploaded this design was January 30. So after that I have had only 20 days to sell this design, and but I still made sales. So apart from the algorithm, apart from the indexing of my listing, I still made some sales, and I made some good amount of sales because I listed it is in a way that brought me $6 per sale as a royalty. So as I said, I don't compromise with my royalties per sale. So I believe you guys can agree with me that this is a creative design. So this is how actually I uh, create my unique designs when I am about to enter a trend, and this is how I get success on trends. Not only trends, you can apply the same method to evergreen designs. So there's another opportunity for you. So on an evergreen niche, if you are entering and if you want to withstand yourself, just be creative and put some effort on your design, and you will see the results. So guys, let me know how I did with my design, and how this video can be helpful for you guys. And if you found anything informative on from this video, just let me know in the comment section below. One thing to mention, this is a design, this Happy Tuesday design was created by one of my freelance designer. So I actually didn't create this design by my own. I just gave him some idea like the V sign and the other stuff, and he implemented the concept really well. So I'm loving my designers, and they are supporting me really well in scaling up my March my Amazon account business. So guys, just do like my video if you found anything helpful from this one. Also subscribe if you are new to my channel. So I will be obviously making a continuous video and helping you guys with more informative and strategic video like this. So, and just to mention you guys again, I'll be back with regular videos from March 20. So till then, happy March, be creative, and goodbye. Thank you.